Are we playing with snow? Alright, can I do something? Can I make balls? Can you pick them up gentle and then squish them?
Okay,
now be gentle, gentle, gentle. Pick it up. And squish it! Okay. Ready? Gentle, gentle, gentle. And squish it! Okay. Pick it up. Gentle, gentle. Squish it! You're goofy. Right, here it is. Gentle, gentle. Squish it! Ready? Gentle, gentle. Squish it! Ready? Ready? Gentle, gentle. Squish it! You're silly laughing. You ready? I'm gonna hold it. Squish it! I'm gonna take it. Squish it! I'm gonna take it. Ready? Don't squish it. Don't squish it. You squished it, Charlotte. Don't squish. Hey.
That's mine.
Hey, don't squish mine. Hey, don't squish it.
I grabbed it.
It's Mom's ball. Right, don't squish this one. Don't squish it. You. Let's not squish it. Wait. All right, are you gonna squish it? Got it. Yay! You squished it.
I got mine, Mommy.
Here you go. No. 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 You're gonna squish it. No. Oh no! You squished it. Can you say I love you?
I love you.